Almost every eye makeup look that you see on the internet seems like it requires 3 different palettes and is eventually going to burn a hole in your pocket. Well, that's not entirely true. It's time you move on from your basic nude palette and get yourself, well, another nude palette, but with more shades. So I've been using this Makeup Revolution palette for almost a year and a half now, and there are so many different looks that you can create with this single palette. Let's just jump right in. I know that this palette is a dupe of the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, but the reason why I chose it is because of the amount of product and the variety of shades you get in this price. So you pay about $1,750 for 32 shades, mattes and shimmers included, and that comes at around $54 per shade, and that's not a bad deal, huh? I hope you guys found this video helpful, and these were 3 of my favorite looks to create with this palette, but there's a lot more that you can do with it. Also, I had a lot of fun doing this for you guys, so you can let me know if there's any other palette that you would want me to create looks with in the comment section below. For more makeup tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty.